I live with my brother and sister. I live with my brother and sister. The water is clear. The water is clear. The clock is very old. The clock is very old. My mother is cooking dinner. My mother is cooking dinner. The stars are very bright tonight. The stars are very bright tonight. The park is very quiet. The park is very quiet. I eat dinner at 6 p.m. I eat dinner at 6 p.m. The bird is building a nest. The bird is building a nest. The cat is playing with a toy. The cat is playing with a toy. My house is near the school. My house is near the school. The grass is very green. The grass is very green. I like to swim in the pool. I like to swim in the pool. The road is very long. The road is very long. My father is very strong. My father is very strong. I like to ride my bike in the park. I like to ride my bike in the park. The tree is very old. The tree is very old. The flowers are blooming. The flowers are blooming. Can you help me with my homework? Can you help me with my homework? Yes, I can help you. Yes, I can help you. The lamp is very bright. The lamp is very bright. Thank you for like and subscribe us. The car is very expensive. The car is very expensive. I like to play in the garden. I like to play in the garden. The cake is too sweet. The cake is too sweet. The sun is shining brightly. The sun is shining brightly. My brother is taller than me. My brother is taller than me. I have a red bicycle. I have a red bicycle. Can you pass me the salt? Can you pass me the salt? Yes, here you go. Yes, here you go. The school is very big. The school is very big. I like to visit my grandparents. I like to visit my grandparents. The sky is full of clouds. The sky is full of clouds. I go to the gym in the morning. I go to the gym in the morning. The dog is running in the park. The dog is running in the park. I drink tea every morning. I drink tea every morning. The door is open. The door is open. I need a new pair of shoes. I need a new pair of shoes. The ice is very cold. The ice is very cold. I like to eat chocolate cake. I like to eat chocolate cake. The bird is in the tree. The bird is in the tree. Can you fix the computer? Can you fix the computer? No, I cannot fix it. No, I cannot fix it. The coffee is very hot. The coffee is very hot. My shoes are too small. My shoes are too small. I like to play with my sister. I like to play with my sister. The table is very old. The table is very old. The weather is very hot today. The weather is very hot today. I have a blue jacket. I have a blue jacket. The bus is very slow. The bus is very slow. The pizza is too hot. The pizza is too hot. The water is too cold. The water is too cold.